Assalamu alaikum friends, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I am here with a new amazing update regarding an amazing project which name is Sunny Luani Coin. Yes, its name is Sunny Luani Coin. You can also find out two other videos regarding their project that I already make on my YouTube channel. One is around about 2 weeks ago and other is around about 3 or 4 weeks ago. So today I am here with a new update. So these videos, two videos are regarding, one video is regarding the full review of this project, and other is regarding their public sale benefits and their offers that they offer for their holders and buyers. So today I am here with a new update which is very necessary. So it's about an event. You can join their net buy competition and share 5000 USD as a reward. So today we discuss how we can join this competition and how we can be able to win this prize. So see my complete video without skipping, and if you are new on my YouTube channel, so subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see my every videos first on your mobile screen. So as you know, I already give a full review regarding the project. So it's a world first Bollywood celebrity name coin. So before wasting my time, I'm going to give you update regarding the project, how we can we will be able to compete to join their competition, and how we can how we can win this reward. So number one is about the article in this section. So the announcement regarding on the recent adjustment of hot bits and investment service. So official statement notice on be aware of. So their link is also mentioned here. So the official notice of the legal investment is also here. So dear respected hotbit user, in order to require all user, hotbit is scheduled to launch H Leone net buy competition at 8 October 29th of October 2021 at 8 a.m. So Hotbit sincerely welcome all user to participate in this event, and S Leon net buy competition is a their duration is start from the 8 p.m. 29th of October 2021 and till 5th November of 2021. So there are 4 days are remaining to end this competition. So if you join their competition, you will be able to you will be able to win this reward. So during the event and the withdraw function of Sunny Leone will be temporarily unavailable. Hotbit will rank all users based on their S Leone net buy volume, buy sell volume, accumulate on Hotbit the top 50 user with greatest S Leone net buy volumes accumulated on Hotbit may receive the following rewards. So one their note is also here. So you need to read this carefully in order to be qualified for participating in the event and claiming their rewards. Apart from meeting the minimum requirement on trading volume listing in the chart below, each of the top 5 user is also required to accumulate no less than 200,000 S Leone as the users on trading volume during the event on Hotbit, and each of users who are ranked number 6 no 50 is also required to accumulate no less than 100 thousand S Leone as the users on trading volume during the event on Hotbit. So this is the picture. Here you can see that here you can also see their ranking. So if someone on the rank 1, then they will be able to get 900 USDT as a reward, and minimum trading will be volume will be 1 million required S Leone tokens, and who is on rank 2 will be able to get 700 USDT, and their limit is 750,000 USDT S Leone tokens. So who is on third number, then they will he will be able to get 500 USD, and their minimum trading volume will be should be 500,000 S Leone required. So here you can also see the other rank like 4 who win 300 USD dollar, who is on rank 5 position 5 who will be this will be able to get 200 USD dollar and so on. So after this you need to read this note carefully also. So number 1, the ranking chart of the event will be published within 10 business days after the event terminates. The rewards of the event will be distributed within 10 business days after the event terminates. Hotbit reserves the final rights on the explanation and interpretations of all rules and regulations of the event. In case that Hotbit detects any cheating, click farming on match trading activities, Hotbit is entitled to disqualify and user involved in such activities from dreaming claiming other their rewards. So risk warning is also here. So cryptocurrency, if the cryptocurrency assets are known as a innovative type of investment product that involve relatively huge fluctuations in their price, please do judge your own investment capabilities rotation rationally and make your investment decision cautiously. So after this you can also find other information regarding their event. So this is their event. If you join their event, competition event, so you need to have these number of S Leone tokens in your wallet. So after discussing their event, so we go back to our home page and discuss other things which are very necessary regarding the project. So we already discussed how we can buy their tokens. So here you can also see there that they are 50% of the token is successfully burned out. So it's very amazing news regarding the projection, and you can also see their attention message here. Now we have listed on Hotbit exchange. Don't try to buy sell on PancakeSwap exchange. We will not going on PancakeSwap. Hotbit is best trading platform for our respected community. So after this is also going to other exchanges like Sunny Leone Coin, S Leone listing on the Bitmart. It's already applied. So you can also see their tokens on Bitmart in future. So this is their tokenomics here, their total supply, their burnt value. They have 50% of their tokens already burned from the total supply, which is 50 million, and their circulating supply is also here, and their contract address. So we already discussed how we add their tokens in our wallet. So after discussing it, we go to their social media group. So it's very necessary to follow them if you want to buy their tokens or if you want to join in their event. So you can also see this message regarding their event in their social medias. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.